What is up, guys? Sam Pack here, and welcome back to the channel where we talk about tech, gear, and keyboards. So today we're back with another honest tech reviews where I give you guys my honest thoughts and opinions on a product. So standing desks have been pretty popular, especially during this quarantine season, and everybody's trying to look for their work from home setups at home. Some people might be looking at uplift, fully, or autonomous, but they're still contemplating on which one to get because they can get pretty expensive and it's hard to tell which one is the better one. But if you're not looking to spend so much money, I think the Flexispot standing desk is right for you. So shout out to Flexispot for sending this out, and I want to say one more time, honest tech reviews is always going to be my 100% thoughts and opinions, no matter, regardless if a company send me stuff out, whether it's a good product or whether it's a bad product. I will give you guys my 100% thoughts and whatever issues that might come up and pretty much all my experiences that I had with this product. So with that said, let's get started. So the desk that they sent out is a 55-inch wide maple top with the white frames on the bottom. But you can find other color options available on their website. So the tabletop is really nice and smooth, and the build quality is really nice. So the legs that it comes with is really heavy and sturdy, but I'll talk about the wobble issue later in the video. As far as the motor system, it's actually pretty quiet compared to other standing desks out there. So for assembly, you definitely need two people to help you put this desk together. So the problem with this assembly is that when you put it together, they actually make you put all the frames and the legs together first, and then you have to flip the whole entire frame and to put it on top of the desk to screw it all in. And since the legs are so heavy, you're gonna have to use another person to help you to flip it over. Otherwise, you're gonna probably end up breaking the legs. So one other issue I just want to address is that when you're at max height with this desk, which is about 47 inches or so, this desk is gonna wobble like crazy. So if you're someone who's about 6 foot or taller and needs that extra height, I would not recommend getting this desk. So as you can see, I'm not even putting that much pressure at all, and it's just wobbling like crazy. Since there's no frame that goes in the middle to hold these legs secure while it's at the max height, it's always gonna wobble like crazy. So if you're 5'8" like me, you're not gonna notice the wobble too much. It's definitely there, but it's not enough that like it's wobbling like crazy. So overall, I think this desk is really nice, especially if you guys are not trying to pay so much money for a standing desk and you're just trying to find something within your budget. You definitely get what you pay for. And also, like I said, if you guys are 6 foot and above, I would not get this desk because of the whole wobble issue. And if you guys do want to get this desk, I do have a link in the description where you guys can get $15 off. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like or a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.